what have we done?
We changed our shoes
Why?
to cross the river.
What are we trying to do here?
We are trying to go up.
Why?
Because we have to.
I don't want to go up there.
We have to go to the pass.
Look up from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the moon, tell me you'll be on.
Where did we come from today?
Down.
Into the shadow valley of death.
We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay. Cause space makes me sad. Cause space makes me sad. Feeling like Pluto, you already knew though. I'm hiding just behind the stars, but how come the stars don't shine when it's day? How come the sky at night makes me this way? Why you so far away? Galaxy cast away, watching you hopelessly. Why aren't you home with me? Cause space makes me sad. Space makes me sad.
Haley doesn't have a pack because she went ahead, got us a campsite, and came back for me. And she got her shoes soaking wet in that river crossing because I had her water shoes. Oh, these guys so cool. Oh my god. We gotta go. So we made it to our campsite without dying of lightning or thunder. Haley's now preparing our meals over our non-existent fire. We have a great water source in view. That's where we came from. Disgusting. river, a lot of dead trees. That's where we went. We got our water. Pretty cool. Some more dead trees. We got some sun setting over here. Had some dark clouds in the sky. We just went through a whole rainstorm. Our tent got soaking wet, so we just went inside and waited it out. You can see some dewdrops everywhere. Stayed dry. Up there is our trail for tomorrow. Joy. We're going to the left. Haley is again cooking us dinner. I have pad thai tonight. She has what?
Dal bhat.
Butternut dal bhat. We're having Asian cuisine for dinner.
Delicious.
We'll see how it goes.
I don't need to think about it. There's nothing in this world that we can't do. Flowers even mad about it, 'cause they can't bloom like you don't. I don't see a way around it, 'cause everything has led me straight to you. It's nothing new. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside. I'll drive, you pick the station. Sunrise, no destination. No lie, I've been so patient, like winter waiting for June. I'm done and waiting for you, waiting for you. Baby, I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside, been thinking about you all night. Been thinking it ain't right if you and me only see us in our dreams. I'm outside.
Haley is trapped herself in her tent. Today was too much. We're both a little burnt. Our hands are bright red. But we found a pretty dope campsite. Getting it put together. Maybe, maybe not. Can figure out where to put that bear can. If you look over here, spectacular marsh area.
In our dreams, I'm outside.
You make me move, you make me dance. You make my heart beat super fast. You lift me up, you make me laugh. Baby, you're the best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had. You're the best I ever had. The best I ever had.
Close the loop. Close the loop.
It's so much pain.
Now you can shuttle me back, right? Went over this way, where we started. Came back this way. All around those bells, right? Well, now the mile trek back to the shuttle. Until later.